Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to create some summery hibiscus flowers with French tips. Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Tap the information icon in the top right corner to watch our full application tutorial to see these steps in detail. When you're ready, let's get started. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of macaron and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Paint buttercream in a smooth, even strip across the center of the silicone nail stamper. At a 45-degree angle, press the tip of your nail into the stamper. Roll the stamper side to side, slowly pulling away from the nail. If needed, you can use a liner nail art brush dipped in buttercream to neaten the edges of your French tip. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Lollipop and the small end of your dotting tool, paint 5 dots in a circle. Then paint a smaller dot on either side of them. Using your liner brush, paint a thin line from each dot towards the center. Cure for 30 seconds. Paint a curved line from the middle of your hibiscus. Cure for 10 seconds. Using the small end of your dotting tool, place dots on either side of the line. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. You can have fun by changing your French tip and hibiscus colors. Thanks for watching!